All right, so in the Notion page, you can find all the written instructions about the exercise. The first one will be the first step in the exercise will be mapping itself. And in order for you to help yourself map it out, just a simple exercise, highlights and lowlights, right? Write it all down. First, study your highlights and lowlights, write exactly what's the age, what kind of experience happened, and potentially how it impacted you. And this is where the analysis kicks in. Here's an exercise, all these coaching questions that I've left to you. But yeah, look at your past self and how do you feel about that person? What kind of values they had? What kind of risks did you take? Or what obstacles, best decisions, worst decisions, different patterns that you can recognize in your behavior and in your thinking. And this one, again, is one of the most important questions. What beliefs were formed? Write through all these things. And then an interesting step that I invite you to complete is the future projection. Think about, again, this is your current state, but how do you want to leave from this moment? Look at yourself as you would be like a different person, right? And this is the life, this is the future projection that I want to see for this person. These are the key events and milestones that I want to see, the obstacles crushed, different kind of driving forces, restraining forces, anything that comes to your mind. And then as you finish writing, just take this part, copy paste your writing into ChatGPT. This is how we use AI, and ask it to organize and summarize your thoughts and spit out a clean bullet list for you. So work through this exercise, and yeah, feel free to let me know in the comments how it goes. I'll see you in the next one.